Plum from Fresno State. Alrighty, so it's kind of chilly out.
It is kind of chilly, not gonna lie.
Yeah, and we're just waiting for the rest of the people.
We are.
They're still back there somewhere.
They are doing some stuff.
Yeah, so I'm excited. Ooh.
They can't see.
Oh. Alrighty. Stay tuned for more adventure.
World can be so cruel. We have our hands tied, they treat us like we're fools. We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin. We can run away to another place.
We're getting new.
We're so hungry. We finally found the restaurant we're gonna try, and it's called the Falafel Hut. I can't say it right, but yeah, it's like Mediterranean food, so we're excited.
Yes.
Escape reality. No need to.
Anyways, I'm gonna try to finish this all, no matter what happens. Okay, I am leaving, so I finish this plate.
Did you enjoy your food?
I did.
Okay. What did you get?
I got the gyro half and half plate with chicken and beef and some tortilla. Do you guys hear this? The sound of the beach. Who is that beautiful girl right there? Oh my god.
Hi.
Where are we going, girl?
Trying to look for a good area where there's less people.
Right, so we could take some photos.
Yeah.
Let me come closer to your face.
Oh, God.
We're racing. Ow, it's hurting my feet. Oh my god. We were playing tag.
Yeah, we did a quick workout.
We did.
We'll show you guys more once we get there. All the way over there.
We can run away to another place. No need to worry. Escape reality. Escape reality. No need to worry. Escape reality.
We're heading out.
Bye, y'all.
You have anything to say, new?
No, I'm good. Finally, we're going home. It was a good day.
Yes, it was. It was a good day. We had a lot of fun today. We explored. We did different things. We took pictures. We slept. We explored the cave.
Yes. And what else did we try today?
We tried Mediterranean food, crepes.
Our first time.
We had to go clean ourselves in the restroom like a couple times.
Yeah, because we were rolling in the sand.
So just letting y'all know, if y'all want to do it for the gram, it's going to take a lot of hard work.
Yep.
Like getting dirty.